Hello, and welcome to the demo of Centrally, the platform for discovering your next business opportunity. Let's go ahead and log in. So Centrally aggregates data from a variety of open source online materials such as industry news, reports, companies' websites, blogs, and it has two types of data. One are the nodes and various information about them, and then two are the edges, so the relationships between nodes. Pretty simple. There's a variety of nodes and edges in the database. I'll walk you through two use cases today that some of our customers actually have requested and used, and I'll describe the insights that they've gotten. So let's assume that we're one of the industry associations in California working on energy, on clean energy. Sweet. So case we're taking is Cleantech San Diego. You can see my immediate network, and that primarily is comprised of my member associations. And say, one of the real challenges is they need to bring in new corporate members. So two strategies. I can try to go through my immediate network and see if there are companies that these guys work with that might be beneficial for me to ask them to make an introduction to me as well. One of the interesting ones that I see, especially a large fairly well-connected node down here, is Alberio Energy. Let's go ahead and actually expand out their network and see if they would be a good strategic partner and member to bring in. So the view adapted a little bit. Here they are. All right. So interesting to note, I do have a few mutual connections with them. San Diego United School District, as well as Qualcomm and SDSU, so I could use a variety of intros. Well, let me check out their network. Interesting, they have a variety of fairly large companies. Let me actually check out that are customers, and I can follow the link to check out where the partnership is actually listed, and looks like it's from the partnership ticker on the actual website. Cool. So that could be an interesting prospect. Now, another way that I could potentially find a new paying customer is I can look at my competitors. So here's me. A few of the other nonprofit industry associations in California are the Los Angeles Cleantech Incubator, Center for Sustainable Energy, Sustain SoCal. There's a few of the other ones, but those are the main ones. So I kind of want to see who they partner with that's currently not in my membership base. So let me check out LECI's membership network. Interesting. They have two fairly large utilities that actually work with two industry associations, but not Cleantech San Diego. Considering that I have other utilities in my membership list, these two actually could be useful to target because I know that they are interested in joining some sort of larger industry associations. All right, second example I'll show you is in let's take a different industry. Let's take esports. So again, you'll see a variety of relationships here. And I primarily, let's say I'm particularly interested in strategic partnerships of companies in the esports space and sort of the trends. The way that I would typically do this is I would scour industry news, go to conferences, sort of collect insights by hand, and this would be a fairly time-consuming process, typically stored in my mind or in an Excel sheet. But this actually gives you so much more context. So scanning this and sort of applying the knowledge that I already have, it's interesting to see that Cloud9, which is a competitor for one of the companies that we worked with, actually has Microsoft as a strategic partner, something that they had not known before. I can go through the link and sort of learn a little bit more about when that happened and take some insights back to the startup about how they potentially would need to change their strategy. All right, and that concludes our demo of Centrally's platform. Thanks for watching.